What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be undercoating the trunk in the Eclipse. So the first thing I'm going to do is look around, see if there's anything else left inside of there that I haven't taken out. Take all of that off, and then scuff it all down on the inside and start spraying undercoat. Let's do this. This just looks so good. I'm super excited to start working on it, start throwing everything back in here and kind of getting it to look like a car again. There's gonna be a video coming out soon of Izzy's build with pretty much, he's built this car like I think 4 or 5 times now, and it just keeps blowing up. And what we've got it down to is I think that there was some sort of harness issue because it was converted from auto to manual. So, because he keeps leaning out in cylinder number 4 and it keeps blowing in that cylinder. So We're going to be swapping out the harness as well as taking the engine out and rebuilding the engine. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please leave a like, comment if I did anything wrong or if you have any opinions about it, as well as subscribe to the channel. Peace.